Hello everyone, in this tutorial, we will be looking at how to run meta ads for your Shopify store. To get started, the first step is to ensure your Shopify store is fully set up and ready for business. This means going beyond just having products listed. You need to make sure all your store settings are complete. This includes customizing your theme, setting up payment gateways, configuring shipping options, and adding necessary legal pages like your return policy and privacy policy. Also, make sure that your domain is connected and any apps or integrations you plan to use are properly installed. A complete store not only provides a smooth customer experience, but also ensures that everything functions properly when you start driving traffic through ads. Once your store is fully set up, the next step is to create a professional Facebook account. A personal Facebook account cannot be linked to Shopify for running ads, so it is essential to switch to a business or professional account. This will give you access to Facebook's advertising tools and allow you to integrate your Shopify store with your Facebook business page. If you don't have a professional account yet, you can easily convert your personal Facebook account to a business account by going into your settings and selecting Switch to Professional. This will unlock more features, including business page creation, advertising options, and better analytics. After you have switched to a professional account, the next step is to create a Facebook business page for your brand. This is essential because your Facebook page will be the hub for your business on Facebook and will be the page from which you will run ads. Do not worry, creating business page is quick and easy. You simply go to Facebook's page creation section and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to enter some basic information like your business name, category, and description. And you can upload a profile and cover photo that align with your brand. If you already have a professional Facebook account, creating this page is only a matter of few clicks. By the time this is done, you will have a Facebook business page that is all ready to be linked to your Shopify store and to begin running ads. This setup will give you the foundation for running Facebook ads effectively. Once your Facebook page is ready, the next crucial step is to set up Meta Business Suite. This tool is essential for managing all the business aspects of your Facebook presence, including ads, insights, and more. Meta Business Suite streamlines your workflow by providing a centralized dashboard to oversee your Facebook and Instagram accounts, monitor performance, and manage campaigns. To set it up, simply go to the Meta Business Suite website or access it directly through Facebook by clicking on the Business Suite option from your Facebook page menu. If you have not used it before, you may be prompted to link your Facebook page to Meta Business Suite. Follow the prompts, and once connected, you'll be able to manage your Facebook and Instagram business accounts from one place. Meta Business Suite is crucial for running Facebook ads effectively. It gives you the tools to create, monitor, and optimize ad campaigns, all while directly integrating with your Shopify store. This means you can easily create and manage ads for your store's products, track performance, and adjust campaigns based on insights, all within the same interface. Now let us head to the Shopify App Store to get the necessary tools for connecting your Shopify store to Facebook. First, go to your Shopify admin panel and click on Apps from the left-hand menu. You will want to search for Facebook in the search bar. This will bring up several Facebook-related apps, but the one you need is the Facebook and Instagram app. This app is specifically designed to connect your Shopify store to Meta Business Suite, which is the platform you will use to create and manage your Facebook and Instagram ads. By installing this app, you'll be able to sync your product catalog, create ads, and track performance, all directly from Shopify. It is essential for any store owner who wants to run Facebook and Instagram ads because it seamlessly integrates your Shopify store with the Facebook ecosystem. With this app installed, you can easily manage your campaigns, target the right audience, and drive traffic to your store, all while leveraging the powerful advertising tool offered by Meta. Click on Install, and once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to connect your Facebook account to your Shopify sales channel. This connection is crucial because, without it, you won't be able to run ads on Facebook for your store. Once you have completed the connection, you'll need to share data from your store with Facebook. This includes sharing your product catalog and creative assets to allow Facebook to access and display them in your ads. You'll be given three options for data sharing, but enhanced data sharing is the best choice. especially for beginners. The conservative option might restrict some ad feature and could lead to issues with performance, so it is better to go with enhanced data sharing for smoother results. After you have set up data sharing, the next step is to click on Submit for review. This action sends your information for verification to ensure everything is in place and meets Facebook's requirements. The review process will confirm that your Shopify store is correctly connected to Meta Business Suite and that your account is ready to run ads. Once the review is complete and everything is approved, you will receive a confirmation that your setup is active. This means that your Shopify store is fully connected and you are all set to start running Facebook ads. At this point, you can begin creating and publishing your ad campaigns directly through the Meta Business Suite, allowing you to drive traffic and sales to your store effectively. Now, let us move on to creating an ad. In Meta Business Suite, click on Create Ad. This is where you will start building your ad campaign. You'll be asked to select your campaign objective. There are various options like awareness, traffic, engagement, and conversions. For example, if your goal is to drive more traffic to your Shopify store, choose traffic. Once you have selected your objective, click on Continue, and it will take you to the next screen where you can adjust the settings of your campaign. Choose a campaign name, such as New Product Run. You will also need to answer a few questions about your ad, such as whether it is related to credit, employment, or housing. This helps Meta target your ad to the right audience. Next, you will need to decide if you want to enable A/B testing to enhance your ad performance. A/B testing allows you to experiment with different elements, such as images, text, and audience segments, to see what resonates best with your target market and optimize your campaign for maximum impact. This can help you refine your messaging and improve your overall results. Additionally, you'll have the option to enable Advanced Campaign Budget, which offers more flexibility in allocating your budget across multiple ad sets. But keep in mind that this option comes with additional cost. Once you have carefully considered those options and set everything up according to your campaign goals, simply click on Next to proceed. Now, you will choose your conversion settings, your daily budget, and the schedule for your ads. You can also define your target audience. Once everything looks good, click on Next, and finally, publish your ad. To complete the process, you will need to add your payment method to finalize everything. Once your payment information is added, your ad will be ready to go. After that, click on Publish, and your ad will be live on Facebook. From there, it will start running and driving traffic to your Shopify store, helping you attract potential customers and boost sales. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.